Okay, this video is just going to be kind of short and sweet, which I always say at the beginning of a video, and they always go to 10 minutes, it seems like. But in this case, I'm just going to recommend you click my personal link to my name, okay? CoryDraper.com. All right? What I'd like to do is just show you what it looks like. The reason why I use Linktree, which is it's free, all right? You can spend a couple bucks if you want to make it more fancy, but I'm going to show you how I use Linktree to put in my opportunities that make me moolah every single day. Why I sleep, eat, break dance, do all my crazy things that end in I-N-G, like burping, okay? And hopefully it'll get you results like I've been experiencing, okay? Keeping things fun, light, just inviting people to watch little short videos. That's what I do with the company LIVEGOOD. Okay, you can see I've signed up 10 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, it looks like I already have somebody pre-enrolled, and I usually get 1 or 2 signups on a weekend. It's always kind of fun to see who's out there on a Friday or a Saturday. And if you have, let's say an Amazon store, or maybe an affiliate company, a network marketing company, you're in an MLM, okay? What I'm about to show you, it'll completely work, okay? Getting people to look at something, to click something, to watch something, okay? So right now, this is my YouTube channel, all right? Let me go ahead and hit refresh here, and let me move myself out of the way. Let's see if I can move myself right here. Okay, and let me pop up my YouTube channel here. Okay, how about if I hang out right there on your screen? Okay, right there's the link. Okay, it's too hard for me to say go to youtube.com/CoryJDraper/videos. Okay, sure, I can do that, or I can even put that link somewhere, and it's not the most attractive. I like to go to GoDaddy and get like a little domain, that forwards to this link. But I'm a big fan of just going like this. I went to GoDaddy, I bought CoryDraper.com, and then for free, GoDaddy forwards to this page. Now, if you go to the bottom of CoryDraper.com, you're going to see this little link tree, okay? It's not an affiliate company with me. I just like to show people if you want a page like mine for free, go ahead and just go to Linktree and just follow. Put your name, address, any contact information. You can see right here, I just put fearless leader of making mega moolah online. I thought it was kind of fun. I chose this background of somebody sinking in the water and this mystery hand coming and saving that person. All right. That's how I kind of equate my business. If you need money, do you need saving financially? Okay. Go to LIVEGOOD, go to Legacy. All these programs, they all complement each other, and they make me very successful in each one of these opportunities, because you need leads, traffic, you need attention, eyeballs. You need to know how to do a video or do a post on, let's say, Instagram, TikTok. My favorite is Facebook. Okay. But right there, you just see there is the logo to YouTube. So when I click it, it just goes directly to the YouTube page that I was showing you earlier. Okay. So I can just go to CoryDraper.com. Okay, that's pretty easy. On a business card, that even appears real easy. Let me see if I can find my card here on my screen, and I'll pop up. Okay, there it is. I just found it. Let me see if it'll come up on my screen here real quick. I hope I'm in the way as usual. Let me move my face out of the way. So if you look on to the right of your screen, obviously, there's the business card I made. I just go to Vistaprint. I don't make any money with Vistaprint as an affiliate. I just like to tell people, hey, if you don't have a connection, or if you're just inclined to sit at home and design a card. And guys, there's 10,000 templates on Vistaprint. You can spend all day and make letterhead, coats, stationery. I just get these business cards. I spend about 25 bucks for a box that'll last me a year, a couple bucks shipping. But CoryDraper.com, you can see how I make things easy with LIVEGOOD or these other opportunities. On a street level, I just hand the business card out. Here's CoryDraper.com card. All right. Well, what is it? Tell me. No, guys, you know what? Just go to the website. Okay. Just go. And if you're interested in LIVEGOOD, look, it's right there. Okay. If you want to look into my Legacy Builders program that makes me $100 to $900 a day, go ahead and click it. Okay. If you need a funnel system, which I highly recommend with LIVEGOOD, it's right there. Okay. Do you need some emails? Do you need 3,000 to 6,000 email leads per month for only 30 bucks, a buck a day. There it is right there, guys. AI technology. Nowsite is by far the best online. Okay. And if you want to even use your Gmail, okay, I have Cory Draper@gmail.com. I also own joincory@gmail.com. I'm a big fan of just using Gmail. And you can use it as an autoresponder. If you got 25 bucks, check it out. Okay, but in this case, let's just make it easy. I want someone to go to my Facebook page. Okay, so if I invite them to corydraper.com, and like I said, this is a free website here with Linktree. But if you want a bunch of fancy graphics and different buttons, you can spend a couple bucks and do that. But for free, this exact page I'm showing you makes me a pile of money. So if I want someone to go to my Facebook page, instead of going facebook.com/Cory Draper, blah, 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 see that little logo right there? They just click the little Facebook logo. And obviously, I just have them go right to my Facebook page. And you guys can see it right here, okay? All right. And if you need to get a hold of me, you can go to my Facebook inbox. I'm not shy, guys. Ask me questions about my opportunities. By far, though, my favorite still is, I think, email, because I type real fast. And I like if you email me whatever you need first, not like, hey, how's it going? Okay, well, it's going good. You go back and forth. If you need something from me, or maybe some advice or information, or if I can help you, just go ahead, say, hey, what's going on? And then type what you need. Then I can hurry and just look and type fast. Boop, 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 boop. I even text type. If I'm on my phone, everyone's like, God, you text so fast. Because everyone's like A, B, C, D. I just go, hey, what's going on? Yeah, live good. Okay, we have a meeting at noon. Go to joincory@gmail.com and I'll talk to you later. Send. All right, so with technology, boy, you can really haul ass when it comes down to typing someone back, or if you don't mind holding that little microphone button down at the bottom of your cell phone. Okay, figure it out. It's pretty cool. But I'm a big fan now of just sending everyone to corydraper.com. All my opportunities are there. The website at Linktree is free. Okay, just make sure that when you configure your Linktree page, like I just showed you, click your buttons from Facebook to YouTube to any other button that you add. Obviously, just click it and make sure it goes to the exact page you want it to go to. And it's easy, guys. I literally built that corydraper.com webpage I just showed you. I think it didn't even take me a half hour. All I had to do is just hit button, click, copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. What background do I want? Done. Okay. Don't spend a lot of money on your capture page. All right. Just build one for sure. You need one. And please get a business card. All right, on a street level, don't talk about your opportunities. People zone out. They'll pretend to be interested. And even if they are, they're going to forget everything you probably told them anyway. I'm a big fan of business cards. Just hand someone a card with your link. And if you want to make it simple, how I've chosen to do, go to corydraper.com. Guys, figure it out. Watch a little short videos about the opportunity. If you want to join, great. And if not, get a hold of me. But after you watch little short videos about the recruiting, the product, the service, what you're getting. Okay? Awesome. All right, guys. Well, 8 minutes and a half. My videos always seem to be about 10 minutes. So I'll just go ahead and end this one a minute or so early. Okay? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. So if you're watching this from YouTube, obviously you can subscribe to this channel. Click little buttons so that if I make new videos, it'll notify you. And you know what? Seriously, please go to corydraper.com and all those opportunities that are doing really well for me right now. And I'm talking, today is December 13th. It is Friday the 13th in 2024. All my opportunities, they're out there. They're available 24 hours a day. People are joining here for GMAS. They're doing the funnel system. They're joining me in LiveGood. All right. They're buying my legacy programs, $100 here. I make $900 there. Okay. It really adds up over a nice 24-hour period, a week period, into the month. All right. Let's just do the best we can to simplify things, get you in some nice programs that people really want to participate in, join, spend money on. Okay. And let's do it right now. Okay, guys, I'll let you go right now at 9 minutes and 40 seconds. I'll end this before 10 seconds. Or should I wait till 10:01? Everyone says make your videos 10 minutes and 1 second. Okay? Because when your channel's monetized like mine is on YouTube, if you go 10 minutes and 1 second, it doubles your money. You make 1 trillion more dollars. Okay, I'm full of crap right there. Thank you, guys. Seriously, have a good Friday the 13th, and get a hold of me if you need something. CoryDraper.com. All my contact information is right there. All right, take care. We'll see you soon. Bye.